so we can jump to today's questions. If we are still sleepy when praying morning prayers, are we allowed to say, "Who removes bonds of sleep from my eyes and slumber from my eyelids"?
Yes, yeah, because I mean that's a very good question. Even though the person is sleepy, but he or she is awake, meaning if they have some like understanding going on. But there are some people, and I know like they are like sleepwalking or something, right? So they can walk, they can do things, but they still asleep. So that's a different story. But for most of us, when we wake up and we pray, so like sometimes like fall asleep, unfortunately, while praying, but it's still it's a person is awake. It's good.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.